Thanks to today's high new car prices and a shortage of used cars available for purchase, more people are choosing to hang on to the vehicle they already have. But how can you improve your car's performance so you get the most out of it and also help it to last longer? Here are 5 simple ways you can maximize your vehicle's performance while also saving yourself some money on gas or auto repairs. Number 1, get rid of the junk in the trunk. Many people are good about keeping their cars neat and clean, including washing the exterior. But how about those golf clubs you've left in the trunk in the hopes you could squeeze in a few holes after work? It's easy to let extra things pile up inside your car without even realizing it. Instead, make an effort to keep things cleaned out, other than any necessary emergency items you want to keep on hand. This is an absolutely free way to improve your car's performance, and it may even improve your gas mileage. Number 2, replace your vehicle's air filter. Imagine trying to breathe through a dirty cloth while you're running up a hill carrying a heavy backpack. That's exactly what it's like when your vehicle has a dirty air filter and you're requiring it to take your family on a road trip or simply drive around town to do errands. A clean air filter helps improve your car's performance by giving it the airflow it needs to run smoothly and efficiently. Number 3, use the right tires. Using the right tires for your vehicle and having them properly inflated is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to improve your car's performance. It can also help you get the best gas mileage, something we're all interested in with today's high gas prices. Number 4, preventative maintenance is key. When you follow the preventative maintenance schedule recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer, small problems can be caught and dealt with before they become bigger, more expensive, and more inconvenient repairs. Plus, routine maintenance items like oil changes and tire rotations can improve your car's performance and help you get more from your ride. Number 5, service your vehicle at a reputable auto repair shop. You should be able to trust your mechanic to point you in the right direction to improve your car's performance, not just the shop's bottom line. Ideally, you want to do business with an honest mechanic who will give you his or her professional opinion, but let you decide what makes the most sense for your car, your lifestyle, and your budget. At Good Works Auto Repair, our motto is "We advise, but you decide." That means that we'll give you our professional opinion about what your vehicle needs, when it needs it, and how much it will cost. Then, you can decide what repair and maintenance items you want to have done and when. Are you ready to improve your car's performance and keep your ride running smoothly? We are. Simply give us a call or schedule an appointment online today.